a little backpack. It's crazy heavy. It probably weighs like 40-50 pounds. Kind of sounds, and you can hear it jingling around in there. Kind of sounds like nuts and bolts. I guess it could be change. If they had a restaurant, they could have thrown like spare change in here. That'd be awesome. Holy cow. Bullets. You guys see that? See all those bullets in there? Holy smokes. Look, here's a magazine full of bullets. Look at all that. Looks like it's mostly 7.62 by 39. Stripper clips in there. A whole bunch of them. Holy cow. So, a few magazines.